Imagine lifting weight with nothing but thin air. This isn't a magic trick or a CGI hallucination. You're looking at acoustic levitation, a phenomenon where sound waves literally fight gravity. While you see objects floating, what's actually happening is a high-frequency battle of pressure. Two speakers blast ultrasonic waves at each other, creating a standing wave. Think of it as a series of invisible pockets where the air doesn't move at all. These nodes are strong enough to trap matter, holding it frozen in space against the pull of the Earth. But here's the part that changes everything. We aren't just floating phone beads anymore. Scientists are now using these invisible waves to manipulate delicate chemicals and even move medicine inside the human body without a single incision. The future of physics isn't about what we can touch, but what we can vibrate. If this looks like the future to you, hit follow for more.